Hello friends, according to this expression we follow the BODMAS rule which stands B. B stands for brackets, small brackets, curly bracket, then square brackets. O. O stands for orders, powers and roots, powers, and then after for division. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition. We simplified the first step, simplify the brackets. Now we must first solve the operation inside the both set of parentheses. Now you can see first bracket and the second bracket. So first bracket says there is a 2 power square multiplied by 2 and then whole power square. So now inside the bracket handle the powers first. So there is a 2 power square equals to 4 and after calculating 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. Now the term becomes 8 power square. So 8 power square and the second bracket says 2 into 2. So there will be 4. Now the current expression becomes 8 square divided by 4 minus 2 multiply 2. Now the second step, solve the orders and exponents. So this is orders and exponents. Next we evaluate any powers or roots. Calculate 8 square. So first 8 square is equal to 8 multiplied by 8 equals to 64. Now the current expression becomes 64 divided by 4 minus 2 multiplied 2. Next step, third step, division and multiplication. BODMAS dictates we perform division and multiplication from left to right. So first we divide the value 64 divided by 4 equals to 16 and after we can multiply the values 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. Now the current expression becomes minus 4. So finally perform the remaining subtraction. Calculate 16 minus 4 equals to 12 as a final answer. To this expression, conclusion says by systematically applying the BODMAS hierarchy, resolving the internal grouping first and then exponents and finally arithmetic operations. So the expression of this simplifies to 12 and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.